In this video, I will show you how to remove debit or credit card on Temu. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and remove a payment method such as a debit or credit card on Temu, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, come across to the Temu website and log into your account. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is come up and hover over your name to bring up this menu, and then you want to come down and click onto your profile. From here, what you're going to want to do is come across this menu on the left-hand side, come down and click onto your payment methods, and you're going to see all your payment methods, including your credit and debit cards. To remove a credit or debit card, it's really easy to do. All you need to do is find the debit or credit card you want to remove, and you're going to see an option to remove just down here. So if you actually give that a click, what that's going to do is bring up a screen like this saying, are you sure you want to delete this payment method? To confirm, just come down to the bottom and click onto the delete this card option. What's going to happen, a window's going to pop up asking you to select a reason to delete. You don't have to select reason if you don't want to. If you can't find anything on here, just come down and click others, and then in the box just put something like NA for non-applicable, and then just come down and click confirm at the bottom. So as you can see, we're going to get a confirmation tick saying successfully deleted. You can see that debit card's now been removed. So that's how to remove debit or credit cards on Temu. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.